Hello everybody, finally my bike is back. And I have a lot of stuff which one I got in the winter, and I'm gonna try to do unpacking video today. And that's good enough for the first half. So this old stuff gonna fit on this bike. Believe it or not, but it will. Well, I believe so. So we'll do unpacking little by little, and then we'll see how everything gonna go. But now need to get a knife and start cutting everything off over here. All right, let's start doing it. The main weapon, but I gotta be careful because I don't remember what is inside. I'll let you know where do I have it, but where did I get it, all right? Little, small, and fun. I'm gonna have that one for my very off-road adventures. So extra 2 liters never hurts. I'll show what is that. This is nothing. Packed very nice. Okay, this is because I don't have no center stand. I need to find out the solution how to lube the chain or change the tire. So this is some fun stuff. Very, very light. I think it's 180 grams. And this is the stuff how to lift your motorcycle. How it's gonna work and how it's working, I'll let you know later. I'll show you, but right now I need to put it together. That's not the purpose of that. One I'll put on me. That one, this is Garnier SG12, Italian brand. And this is different boot sole, how to call it, because this is on the raw. This boot doesn't come in the colors like this, and the raw style, it's kind of boring. It was black or white or black and white, and I wanted some little bit different colors, so I picked up the motocross style. So this is opened already because I had to open it, because I have to measure that before I go. What it is, I think that's a filter, which one I'm gonna change, but maybe I'm mistaking it. No, okay, I'm mistaking it. Okay, this is the Perun Moto top luggage rack. There we go. So I'll put that one. I got it from Perun. It was like on a back order, but I got it. I will see how it's gonna work, because right now I put my Moscow luggage. I can do that, but it's not gonna work very good because now it's like scratching my frame. So this one will work perfectly because I'm gonna be able to move my luggage a little bit back. This one is open already because I had to open. Moscow Moto pants. Well, I'm not a fashion guy. I'll show it later. All right. I'm like a demolition guy. Definitely stickers. We like stickers. All right, this is the pants, kind of. This is kind of pants. It's a lead pants, which one has hips protection, and they're very breathable because I'm gonna be using some lead knee pads. So that's gonna work like this, because my Moscow Moto pants doesn't have no protection. So this is gonna be perfect to have it under. And this is let Elite. Knee guards, 3DF 6.0. Simple thing. A small first aid kit. It's micro, but I was traveling without anything, but now it's going to be good to have something. I like preserving the nature, so that's going to be biodegradable. So it's like a body wash and my kind of detergents for washing everything. It's already open because I have to measure that one. Moto. I will go with Moto jacket right now because I found out that most of the time when I'm traveling, I take my jacket off and all my armor goes together with the jacket, and I'm traveling just with my t-shirt. So I decided that I'm gonna wear the body armor under the jacket, and I will be just traveling like this. And if it will be too hot, I'll just take it off. It's gonna take much less space than my climb. So this is kind of evolution in my mind. And definitely another one climb stuff. Looks like gonna be really good stuff to have it under, over my armor. All right. What is this? So, if you guys know, you should know what it is already. DNA air filter. Yes, I'm changing my air filter. I'm gonna go to the kind of more sport version, which one can let much more air go through. When you look at such a big engine, it has such a small filter. So this one gonna give me much more air. Plus, I'll let you know later why did I get that one. This is a little gift from China. China always has stuff which one you don't need, but you buy because the price is right. Okay, so first thing, we'll go with this. I'm afraid to cut it because I know you cannot cut that, because if you will cut it, you'll get in trouble. What is that? That's rain shoe cover. Why do I need it? Because my Garnier G12 is not waterproof, and if I will go, for example, somewhere far in Norway, I know I will be in trouble with the wet feet. If it will be like plus 8 degrees Celsius, I'll be in trouble. So I got this little thing over here, which one probably gonna save my life for some time. They probably will be too small. I got the biggest ones, but in that case, I'll just cut off open over here because I'll just cut it like this somehow, because I just need the very front to be protected. This is, I'm not gonna unpack it, but actually this is the bike cover, and I'm taking this color because I know I'm gonna be camping some nights just in the forest. I don't want to be seen so much. Oof. DHL from Deutsche Post. Okay, I know what it is, and I'm really excited about opening it. So let's open it. All right, this is a fun stuff. As you see, this stuff called Bark Buster Handguards. So this, oh wow, only this one gonna make a motorcycle much heavier. Well, this stuff weighs a lot. So I got all stuff full. But I will be back a little later to that one, because I will be installing it first. And now the biggest and heaviest box. Here we go. So, this is the rear tire for my trip. And this is Moto Z Traction RLZ. Looks like a pretty rough and tough tire. So, thank you very much, my friend Martinez. He sent it over to me. I do appreciate it. This tire gonna be my companion for the summer trip for about 5,000–6,000 kilometers. That means about 3,500 miles. And later I will change the bike, but tires might be the same. And right now, let's open the biggest box. Ooh, Martinez, you really packed it good, I see. Thank you, my friend. And what it is? It is what we have. Guys, this is my crash bars. Not gonna pack it right now. We see what it is. This one gonna be installed a little later this week. So I will film it and let you know how it looks, how it feels. But that looks like a good stuff right now. After my last accident, I know that I need this stuff. I don't want to go for little things just to the service and fix my bike. And now we will be more protected. And now let's go and do the bark busters. I made a big mess over here. Huge mess. All right, so you see what we have. And now I'm tired after this job. It's a fun stuff, but it's like really tiring. Okay, so this bike really needs to be done something today. So here we go. We will do the bark busters. So let's start bringing some stuff. It will take some time. You'll see. Like предмети, да.